Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights. This video will apply to Lincoln Navigators made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now in my case, as you can see, my left taillight is cracked, so I will be removing it and replacing it. Now to start, you'll want to lift the trunk and remove two torx T20 screws, one here on the top and one down here on the bottom. So once again you will need a torx T20. Okay, so once you have removed these two screws, there is no more screws to remove. This side should be nice and loose. You just have to pull the taillight now straight out. Do not pull it to the side because you might break a couple of pins still holding this taillight right here. So you want to pull it straight towards yourself. If it's still kind of stuck and you cannot do it using your hands, you can use something like a plastic trim remover just to try and push it from this side to release. Okay, so I had to use both of my hands here for a while, but this is the idea. You want to pry it out here. If you don't have this plastic tool, you can use like a flat screwdriver. Just be careful not to damage the paint. Now I will show you. These are the pins I was mentioning, right? And they are inside these holes right here. So that's why I said you want to pull it straight towards yourself. And now to completely remove this taillight, you'll just have to unplug all of the light bulbs, or if you're just replacing one of the light bulbs, you can just turn it counterclockwise. Remove it and install a new light bulb and put it back in. This one is the same thing. And the bottom one, same thing, just turn it counterclockwise. And that's it. This is how you can remove the taillight from a Lincoln Navigator. Okay, and here is my new taillight. It's not brand new, it's from a car salvage. It was much cheaper for me to get it this way. Now, like I said, first you want to install these light bulbs back in and then just put the taillight in place and screw it back in. Okay, and I will show you now on one of the taillights. You have a couple of openings here and you have to align those openings with these black like tabs on the light bulb socket. Once you do that, you just turn it clockwise and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.